Hey, it's Michael from Infinite Nutrition. About a year ago, I sat down with Dee Dee Griesbauer. Dee Dee's a two-time Ironman champion from the Boston area. Really solid lady. Did a four-part interview. First one, we're talking about how she kind of transitioned going from solids to 100% liquids. Very interesting discussion, about a minute. Second one is talking a little bit more about the science, multiple carbohydrates, how Infinite works on her stomach, how it really did solve a lot of her problems that she was having before. The third interview is talking about the bike and how she uses it to concentrate on the bike, and then also how she trains with it, and then lastly how she uses it for the run. Each interview is about a minute long, really solid. I think it's a good bit of science, and also just talking about the product. So here's number one.
When I first started using Infinite, one of the things that I had to sort of wrap my hands around was the concept of once you step into the water, there's no more solid food all day. You're 100% liquid nutrition, which is sort of tough to comprehend. But as with anything, I tested it in training over and over on long brick days where I'd go swim, bike, run. I'd be training for 6 or 7 hours, and I would use just Infinite, and that would be even at stops. Ignore the Snickers bar at the convenience store and stick just with your liquid product, with your Infinite product. And I think if you'll test it out, you'll find just by adding a little bit of protein to your Infinite blend, you can help satiate the hunger. And really, I don't miss the solid food at all. It takes trying it to believe it, but it really does work.
And it's safe to say that if it didn't work, Dee Dee,
I wouldn't be using it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be using it. You'd see me grabbing bars and gels and everything else, but I've just found that any kind of solid foods, and I would consider a gel to be a solid food, it really slows gastric emptying, and I think that the liquid calories are the easiest to digest, and that just leaves more blood flow to go to your muscles and your heart and keep you going faster.
On a 5 to 6 hour bike ride, you really are not getting hungry for the most part.
No, I'm never in a race. I will say occasionally I do cheat and have the Snicker bar on the training ride, but I have tested it thoroughly without doing the Snicker bar, and it works, and I don't find myself hungry at all. But try it for yourself. I think you'll find it